ladies and jellyfish. This is Mr. Panda Pizza Dash and Thomas Miller as a 14S, coming to you from Sector 47A. I did not expect to see an Otis Series 7 at Georgia Tech. This is at Crosland Tower, Georgia Tech. Basement. Basement's locked. 7. Hold on. Hold on. I have to switch directions real quick.
Going down.
I did not expect to see a Series 7 at Georgia Tech. 7. Gen2.
Seventh floor.
I'm glad these actually talk. A little bit of classic leveling.
Going down.
I was not expecting this at all. Interesting. We have Series 7 vandal resistant buttons. This is the Gen2 line and it sticks out a little bit. Pretty basic cab. Floors are always nice at Georgia Tech locations though. Except for Towers Hall. Watch the button go up. It's slow. You just take ground.
Ground floor.
Oh, here's your certificate. E271624. That'll be it. Oh, wait. Here's the directory.